Are stiff joints, daily discomfort, and limited mobility holding you back? Feel younger, move freely. Introducing JointEternal, your all-natural, science-backed solution to joint pain and inflammation. Formulated with turmeric, MSM, glucosamine, and Boswellia, JointEternal targets the root causes, not just the symptoms, supports healthy joints and cartilage. Whether you're over 40, active, or just tired of the aches, JointEternal helps you move with confidence again. Restore mobility, regain confidence. Crafted with only the purest ingredients, JointEternal is GMO-free, filler-free, and manufactured in FDA-registered facilities. Don't just take our word for it. Thousands are already reclaiming their lives with JointEternal. It's time to stop enduring pain and start living fully. Visit Digistore now and discover the power of JointEternal, because your joints deserve better, and so do you.